Hello, everybody. Michael Palacci here with Digital Marketing in 60 seconds or less. Let's get started. Episode 67, how to use Instagram Insights to post on the days and times your audience is most active. Instagram gives you lots of data. You just need to know where to find it and what it means. To find out when your audience is more active, go to your profile and click on Insights, then click on Audience. Scroll to the bottom of the screen where you'll find followers. You'll see today's data and the hours when your audience is active. Tap the graph to bring up the numbers and use the carets to scroll the days of the week. Next, go to days, where you'll see what days of the week your audience is active. Tap the graph to bring up the numbers. This is great information. Now you can time your best content for when the bulk of your audience has the best chance to see it. You can get the full guide at staffordtechnologies.net/offtheladder. As always, if you have questions about this, digital marketing, or your website, you can comment on this post, IM me, or email me. And remember to like and share and follow #staffordtechnologies across all your social media. So that's it for digital marketing in 60 seconds or less. We'll see you next time.